or build wealth through investment. So our whole movement, our whole mission is centered around empowering you. This is no different. So credit is a piece to the puzzle. We want you to be empowered to understand that you can do it yourself without being at the mercy of someone else. So I'm glad you brought that up. I just had to add that small tidbit.
Yes, most definitely. All right, how-tos, things that you need to know how to do. All right, that's why it's called the how-tos. Number one, you need to know how to obtain your credit report and your credit scores, or your credit scores. You have to know how to obtain those things in order for you to know where you are. It's very important, you guys, that we know where we are. Some of us haven't even pulled our credit reports.
Right.
We haven't even pulled it for a lot of different reasons. We're scared of what we're going to see, right? We don't know what's going on with their credit. A lot of times we have high expectations of what we're going to see, or just being all out scared. You have to start somewhere. You have to know where you are in order to know where you're going. All right. Like Marcus said earlier. So you have to know how to obtain your credit report or your credit scores in order for you to take the first step. All right. So that is the first step. If you're ready for number two, give us a number two.